G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 26, 2023. This is the Aussie New Zealand currency update. Haven't done a currency review for a while, so I thought I'd give you another quick shot at it. This is on the daily chart first off. Now what we've got here, between this range, Fibonacci range here, you'll see the price has been bouncing off this 61% level, which is always a key area. Now it's been threatening that a number of times, and it's doing it again as we speak. But you'll notice the CCI is also broken down through the midpoint. Let me just expand that. So that's also weakening, so we may see further weakening in the share price. The Stochastic down here, oops, doesn't like that. Let's do that. That's also broken down through the midpoint and approaching the oversold area, but that's to a lesser degree of importance as much as the CCI is. Now, we did have there's no divergence to talk of there on the daily, but if we go to the hourly, we do have a divergence playing out at the moment on the CCI. You can see there that's moving to the upside. Nice strong movement to the upside on the CCI. Generally the CCI tracks with the share price, whereas bullish on the CCI versus bearish on the price. So I've drawn a target area there, and the way we draw that is we look at the Fibonacci range between that low to that high, and that's between the 23 and the 38% level Fibonacci range. That's assuming it bounces from there. It could always fall further, and this divergence will remain valid so long as, let me just maximize it again, so long as the latest CCI value is higher than that area there. In other words, it can still fall off. So long as it's still higher than that, we've still got a bullish divergence. You'll notice also the Stochastic, there we go again, Stochastic, maximize that. The Stochastic is well in the oversold territory and potentially bouncing off from there as well. So slight bullish potential on the hourly chart. Now these divergences, if you're new to the channel, have worked previously, and I'll go back to a bit of history here. You can see those little squares. That's where there's been, for example, there a bearish divergence versus the price. It fell down and hit our target. Another bearish divergence versus the price, hit our target. A bullish divergence versus the price, hit our target, and so on. So there's been a few successful trades on those on the hourly. Now, they don't always work, of course. Nothing is 100% in trading and charting, but probably I would suggest 90% of the time they do work. So again, assuming the price bounces from that level and doesn't collapse any further, then we're going to see it hit at the very minimum this level. It could go higher, but that's a minimum target range. I like to be nice and safe and conservative. Of course, if it collapses from that point and drops below this support line at 107.47, then we're going to see further declines. As I said on the hourly, that'll be the 61% on the hourly time frame. So again, to understand how to trade some trend trading strategies and also divergence strategies, subscribe and support us more on the Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.